Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to a windy Isle of Skye. We're on our Scotland tour, so let's get in the van and I'll tell you what's going on. Woo, it's a windy one today, I tell you. Right, we're on our Scotland tour and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make some breakfast and then tell you guys where we're up to and what we're doing.
What's Daddy making us? Daddy making us breakfast? Oh, we're having cinnamon rolls. Yeah, for our dinner.
Right. If anybody's not got one of these and you've got a camper van, you need to get one. It's a non-slip heat-proof mat. And I can't cook outside, it's too windy and we're only making cinnamon rolls. But I put that on there, I mean look at that, I'm literally like moving it and it just sticks on there really well. So I'll put a link in the description, but I do recommend you get one of them, they come in so handy. I was going to stay there for another night, but it's really windy. Still on the Isle of Skye and we've decided we're staying here tonight and this is our view for the night.
We're actually at the Kerrang, but it's really windy.
It's windy, but look at the views. Look at the views. Right, so we're in the van now, just relaxing. Been in for a few hours, haven't we? What an amazing walk that was before.
It was windy.
I know, as you could see.
Wind sweat.
Brooke's in the chilling position with the seat. You can see she's got a pad there. We're actually working out some trips for next year, aren't we? Because we're looking at a big...
And this year.
Well, this year as well, but we're looking at doing abroad next year.
Yeah, I've got 6 weeks off, so we're planning on a summer holiday through France, Switzerland and Liechtenstein, which we've been trying to go on for ages, but I'm officially doing it this next year.
Yeah, if you've been a long time follower, you'll know that for the past few years with everything that's been going on, we've been trying to go to like Switzerland. You know, we've got friends over there and we want to go over and visit them, and next year we're doing it. Hopefully next year we're going to be able to do it, so that's what we've been working out. You comfortable in your chair like that?
Yeah.
Good, isn't it? There's a waterfall not far from where we're camping, so I'm going to go and have a look at that in a little bit, and then we're going to cook some food and just relax. This is like really good.
It's going to be a very random food tonight.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's the day before shopping day, so it's a bit of everything, which is how we figured out how to make the dubventures stew last time.
Yeah, it is.
So, Tom has decided he's going to do some editing tonight because we're just having a chilled out day today, aren't we?
Yes. just getting everything like sorted and all the different things that we need
well,
to do.
The little man there is having a nice snooze. I think he really likes it in here. I'm just chilling, looking at the view.
Right, it's a little bit drizzly outside. Thor needs to go out to go to the toilet, and I don't know if you guys do this, but it's like, you take him out, and Bruce's like, no, you take him out. So all the way to decide this is rock, paper, scissors. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Every time. Now it's food time. The things that we've brought on this trip with us is the EcoFlow Mini Delta Power Station. But on this trip, we've also brought an EcoFlow Rither Pro. So what we've done is we've actually got this out because what we're going to do is we're going to charge all of our devices, like our phones and things like that. Now we do have power in the van that we could use. We've got a lot of devices that we want to charge up at the moment, and plus we've got the TV on, we've got other things running, so it makes sense to use this. So let's get everything charged up. Movie time. Morning everyone. Well, we were supposed to be up really early this morning because we have to go and find Wi-Fi signal to upload the video that's going on today. We've slept in. I can hear water there. Brooke's over there, we're just taking Thor for a walk. And yes, we've slept in. But let's have a look at this view that we've woke up to. So today we're going from the Isle of Skye and we're going over to Kintyre. But like I said, we need to find somewhere in between that we're going to upload the video. We're also staying at a campsite tonight. We don't know where, but as soon as we get some Wi-Fi signal, we're going to get something booked. And you'll find out where that's going to be in the next video. So until the next one guys, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, still lots more to come. Hit the like button. Bye for now.